Hi everyone, I'm Ani from Neptune AI and we're at the AI Engineer World's Fair. And today I have David with me
Etsy.
from Etsy. Hi David.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, tell me more about what you're doing at Etsy.
Yeah, so I am an engineer on the experimentation platform for Etsy. We do a lot of A/B testing, but we also do some machine learning experiments as well. It's really important for us to do all of these experiments because before we launch a feature, we want to see for that feature, do the customers like it? And also, maybe more importantly, is this feature losing any money? So our experimentation platform is very involved. It's a very deep stack. And not only can you adjust how much traffic the new feature gets, but you can also see downstream compared to the control group, how much more or less money the treatment group is making.
And how did you end up with Etsy working on a product?
Yeah, so before this, I worked for 6 years at Amazon. I did 3 years with Amazon Business, where it's working with a lot of very big companies and their procurement systems. And I also did 3 years with Amazon Alexa.
That's interesting. So it's a multi-track conference. Any specific track you're looking forward to?
So I think it's really cool that I'm being exposed to a lot of the new AI technologies and this whole reg retrieval thing. I've only ever heard of it on LinkedIn. So actually seeing how it's being applied is really cool. I would say the MongoDB workshop was very nice. It's a clean Jupyter notebook and I was able to do it all the way through and I created like an AI agent for myself. So that's definitely something I want to bring back to my company.
And what are the challenges that you believe will remain in the space in AI within the next 2 to 3 years?
I think there's going to be a lot of hype. And I think some companies that really human values at heart, especially Etsy, for us, the motto is keep commerce human. We should be very careful about how much we're actually using AI. And just like the GitHub presentation earlier this morning, it's very important to have accountability. And LLMs don't really have accountability. I think that'll be a huge challenge. How exactly do we vet the outputs of an LLM? And how do we know that it's not going to say something that offends our customers?
Awesome. And if there's anything specific you'd like to share with our users, anything about Etsy, this is the chance.
So not only as an employee of Etsy, but just as like a human being, as an engineer, this is the most amount of startups that I've ever been exposed to. And I really think this is such a testament of all the ingenuity of different startup folks, folks like yourself who are making coconuts. It's really smart of you guys to do that because, maybe I wouldn't be here. Maybe some other folks wouldn't be here if you guys didn't have the coconuts. And nobody else is doing coconuts. So thank you for the coconut. I'll be holding on to this coconut like all day, right? I actually poured water in it. So yeah, I'm just going to keep carrying this coconut because people come up to me and they're like, where did you get this coconut? And then I'll tell them that I got it here.